Hi.
Hi, my name is Prima. I'm from Birdfy. Nice meeting you.
And is this the most advanced bird feeder smart with camera in the world?
Well, yes, from my point of view, yes. So this one was launched in September 2024. And with this one, you have 2 cameras, 3 lenses.
So then you can really get to see the bird who comes to eat the food that you're providing in your garden.
Yes.
And it will send a message to your phone?
Yes. Notification immediately.
And it's so cool to have 2 cameras. What's the advantage of having 2 cameras?
Well, with 2 cameras, you get more angles, more views. You got to see more details of the birds.
And it's a nice quality camera?
Of course. 1080p. And
It looks
even
like
supports slow motion.
slow motion.
Yes.
It looks like could you even give a name to the bird automatically and say, "Hi, Robert is back."
Actually, species of the bird, to be more exact.
Species, it
Yes.
can recognize the species.
Yes.
And say, "This guy is coming back."
We don't say this species come back. That's what we do now. But if you need that function, we can try later on.
I want to recognize the exact bird
Yes.
because every bird in one species can be recognized, or it's too difficult.
You know what? Sometimes you think it's the same bird, but it's just the same species. Because
Oh, yeah.
birds do look similar to human. Yeah.
They look very, very similar to each other, maybe. And so high quality and safe. They just come. You don't need to put it too close to your house.
Well, within the
is it
Wi-Fi
solar
range.
panel?
Within the Wi-Fi range.
Wi-Fi range.
Yes.
And how does it charge?
Well, it has built-in battery, plus we have solar panel for this product. With solar panel, it charges almost forever.
Where's the solar panel? You can show
Well,
it?
in the package, actually. I didn't take it out, but it's always come in the package, especially for this dual model.
It's a little panel on the side.
Yes, we have this cable that you can charge.
Nice. Is this available?
Yes, already.
Is the price good?
Well, depending on the model you are choosing, starting from 170 to 300 something.
Can we look at some of the other ones that you have around here?
Of course.
Yeah. So this is the new one.
Yes, this is the latest one. Sorry.
That composting television show.
So this is the basic model. The camera is different. It's only one lens, one camera.
I have the address for
And for this one, this is a Pro model. It has 1 camera, 2 lenses.
Okay, very good.
Yeah. The only difference here is the camera setting. And the look is the same.
And what is this?
This is our first generation. Our bestseller still.
So then,
And here we have all the add-ons.
all the what, sorry?
Sorry?
You have all the what?
Add-ons, accessories. So for this one, it's preventing the big birds. And this one is safeguard for preventing the waste of the bird seed. And this is the multifunctional perch for birds.
And what do we see here?
Well, this one is the metal one. It's 100% almost metal. So it's strong and more durable.
Nice.
Yeah. And this is the bamboo one.
What is bamboo?
Yes, metal bamboo. Similar function setting like this here.
Where's the camera go?
There. Oh, I didn't put it. Sorry, I didn't put the camera.
Yeah.
It should be here.
Yeah. And then all these
相机别拿出来。
little nice designs for these things.
This add-on, this for hummingbirds, this for the sweat bowls, and this for the fruits, and this you can put a name sticker here.
Nice.
把
What is
相机拿出来。
your strategy to get the birds to come?
Well, we don't actually need strategy. When you put bird seed, just come.
They will just come.
Yes, they will just come.
But is it true that if the bird feeder is too close to the house, they come less than if it's a little bit more out from the house?
Not really, not really. We have different stories from different users. As long as it's in the backyard, I think you all do the same job. Yeah.
The birds, they can see the food is there
Yeah, they do.
and they want it.
Yes.
Nice. That's cool. And what would be nice is automatically posting on my Instagram or on my Facebook.
It's not automatically posting. It's just if you want to post, you can post, right?
Okay. So I see it, I just click and I share it.
Yes.
It goes on the cloud.
And also we can
Yes.
how the bird, like the
What cloud is it?
Well, we are working with AWS, Amazon Cloud.
time.
And it says this $400,000.
Yes, we have this fund. Each of our products sell, we allocate $1 to the fund, so we can support bird conservation and also the protection of the environment.
Where do you do this?
What
In
do
the
you mean?
US, in Europe, or in China?
Globally.
Globally.
Yes.
Nice,
Birds are globally.
nice. This is a very fun product, right? I'm sure a lot of people love this.
Mm-hmm.
Like when they have it, it's like, it must be so much fun for the children to be like, hey, we got a new bird arrive.
For all ages, I'll say. From children to grandma, they all love it.
And people probably want to move to a place where they have more funny birds.
Sorry?
Like maybe people want to move to a place where there's more birds, just
It
because
is
they want
possible.
to enjoy this product
It is
more.
possible. But even if you are not at that place, well, if you can just send one to your friends who's living in another place, and you can just still get the same fun pictures and videos as well.
Any sound?
Yes.
The full sound is included.
Yes.
So all the beautiful bird sounds,
Yes.
you hear them.
Yes.
That's amazing. That's really cool.
Thank
Okay,
you.
do you plan to do 4K?
Well, we are planning to do 4K videos soon.
Because the birds deserve 4K also, right?
Yes.
They have so much beautiful colors to show.
Exactly.
Nice. And then it should automatically go to your 4K TV. But even if it's 1080, you can see it with beautiful way on your smart devices,
Yeah.
and upright videos and landscape
As
mode.
you wish. Yeah.
All right.